I think for heavy-duty vocational trucks, quality and durability are always in the center of the development process. A truck that lasts longer, needs less repairs, needs less parts, and can perform in the field inherently is more sustainable.
The market-leading mDRIVE transmission is built to last with heavy-duty construction and enhanced internals for 30% faster shifts. The mDRIVE has optional 13 and 14-speed configurations with creeper gears for off-road and heavy hauling. Paired to the MP13 engine, it handles up to 540 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque.
Reducing those shift times makes that acceleration as seamless as possible to the driver. We reduce wear in the transmission and improve that driver response for the driver to feel like he's in control of the truck.
The all-new cab is all galvanized steel. That delivers part of the safety, but also the durability.
If there was one product, one model that spanned across all the market for a long period of time, has been the Granite.
These trucks are legendary. I think we have a great history and we have an even brighter future with the new trucks.